We guide you through how to cancel a transfer on Wise so you can stop a payment before it fully goes through, avoid sending money by mistakes. First thing you need to do is to open your Wise app on your phone or go to the Wise website on your computer. Then, log into your account. Once you're in, go to the home screen or activity tab where you'll see your recent transfer. Tap the transfer you want to cancel. If the transfer is still processing and hasn't been paid out to the recipient yet, you will see an option that says cancel transfer or stop transfer. Tap the button, review the details, and confirm the cancellation. Wise will immediately stop the transfer and start refunding your money back to your original payment method, whether that's your bank, card, or balance. Keep in mind that if your transfer was funded using a debit or credit card, your bank may take a few days to reflect the refund. Also remember, if the transfer is already marked as completed, sent, or delivered, you can no longer cancel it. In this case, your only option is to contact the recipient directly to reach out to Wise support for help.